Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video for learning Dart, we are going to understand what is initializer list in constructor. For that, I'm creating a new application. So I say 49 initializer list constructor dot Dart. So I say main. Here I create a class. So I say class student. I say string name course. Here I create a constructor. I say student, and here I say string name, string course. And remember that here I make this colon, and here I say this dot name equal to name, comma, this dot course equal to course, like this, and then bracket. Remember, is student, like this. So this is the way of doing initializer list in constructor. Make a colon here, then we have the instance variable. We are initializing the value with the help of this parameter, and here I can print anything. I say print, I say this is initializer list in constructor example, like this. So you see, this is a normal constructor, but we are not initializing the value of this constructor under the constructor. Remember that it is before the constructor calling. So before the constructor parenthesis, before the constructor curly brackets, in the form of declaration, we are using this initializer list. So these value we are passing and we are initializing here before calling the body of the constructor. Now we can call this, I say student s equal to student, and I say here Ravi, here I say mtech, like this. And if I want to display some method, so I say void display also, and I say print name equal to name and course equal to course, like this. So I can call this method here as dot display. Now I run this, I say dart run, like this. You see, this is running. So like this, you can use initializer list in constructor. So this is the constructor, and we are using a way to initialize the variables, instance variable, with the help of listing. So this is called initializer list in Dart programming language. So if you like it, if you understand something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.